Now, Elin has an amazing dinner. A batch blend for Elin, a pork loin fillet. Because I've got a lime that needs using. Next up is veg. But it looked downright indecent. This is my Vitamix blender. It's a power blender. Hi! Are you hungry? Do you want nummy nummies? Hi and welcome to the vlog. Elin, are you saying hi? I am just in the process of sorting out dinner. Elin is quite hungry and Alice has decided that she's going to weed the little plantain bit outside our house, which I'm super happy about.
So it's going to throw away with the garden and stuff. I'm just using plastic gloves and my hands.
Yeah, I threw away all the garden stuff because I...
Well, when Granddad's comes over, he's not going to be happy.
Maybe there is still some stuff hiding somewhere. I still have a few boxes I haven't gone through. Now, Elin has an amazing dinner. Yesterday, I cooked up a storm.
What is Elin having for dinner?
Elin is having a pork loin fillet that I marinated in Korean barbecue sauce and then roasted. And with that, she has roast vegetables. It was roasted white fleshed sweet potatoes, normal potatoes, carrots, and cauliflower. And then I made a sauce with mushrooms and cream.
That sounds delicious.
It was delicious. So I filmed all day yesterday as I was cooking. So I'm going to show you all of that. And then I suppose we're coming back and showing what's happening with dinner tonight and how Elin is enjoying her blend. Oh, clearly not. She's already choking on it and she hasn't even tried it yet. I better check that she's okay, actually. I should stop taking the piss out of my child. It's the hottest day of the year and I have decided to cook something in the oven. But I'm child free today. My kids are with their dad because I start work at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, so they can't be with me overnight. However, I finish in time tomorrow to pick them up straight after school and then I have them in the afternoon and I need to make a batch blend for Elin. I need a lot of food for her. It's going to go in the freezer. I completely run out of my freezer stash. And I've been to Aldi today to do a food shop and I picked up a pork loin fillet at 30% off because it expires tomorrow. So I want to get this cooking. It's going to make dinner for me. It's going to make a big batch blend for Elin. It's probably going to make leftovers as well. There's going to be a lot of food. That's my plan for this very hot afternoon, is to make a pork loin fillet. So when I make pork loin fillet, I tend to put it in a marinade for a few hours and then I cook it in the oven and then I make whatever to go on the side. Today is going to be roast vegetables. I have white fleshed sweet potato that I need to use. I've got normal potatoes that I need to use. I've got cauliflower. I've got carrots. So as the oven's going to be on anyway, it's all just going to go in there. It's going to cook at the same time and then I'll make some form of sauce to go on the side of it and whoops your ankle. So for my marinade today, I picked up a Korean style barbecue sauce that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some honey and just salt and pepper, so very, very easy. I might chuck in something acidic. What will go with that Korean style barbecue? Lime juice. I'm going to chuck in some lime juice because I've got a lime that needs using. Yeah, I'm going to chuck in some lime juice as well, just because the acid will help make the meat more tender. So all of this, I'm just going to open this bag, I'm going to pour stuff in, and then I'm going to put the meat in, wrap it all up, put it in the fridge, and forget about it for a few hours. Next up is veg. I'm going to roast them, seeing as the oven is already on. I have normal white potatoes, I have white fleshed sweet potatoes, and I have carrots, and I've also got some cauliflower. Now, the cauliflower is going to go in a bit later because it'll roast quicker than the potatoes will. Oh wow, I didn't realise these were going to oxidate so quickly. There's nothing wrong with them, they've just been peeled. That's literally it. So vegetables peeled, now for chopping. We eat a lot of sweet potato in this family, we really like it, but not very often the white fleshed one because they're just less easy to find. So when I was in Tesco the other day doing some shopping, I took the opportunity to get a couple. See? That's the difference. Freshly cut a few minutes ago. It oxidates so fast. And then I'm adding normal potato just to have more. Because 2 sweet potatoes is not going to go very far. When I was in Tesco, it was just after I had gotten Elin out of hospital and I was very tired and I couldn't think straight. If I'd been thinking straight, I probably would have bought more, but I didn't really know what the plan was at that point. But we can beef it out. We can always beef it out. There we go. And last but not least, carrots. I'm gonna add a good drizzle of olive oil and salt and pepper and then throw this in the oven. I say good drizzle. Looks like I was out of olive oil. Oh well, I'm adding some olive oil. Okay, so the meat and vegetables are in the oven and they're pretty much ready, to be honest with you. I was going to film the pork fillet as I put it in, or at least take a picture of it, but it looked downright indecent. And I'm just not about to send any of you any unsolicited dick pics, all right? Seriously, that's what it looked like, flaccid. So, no, didn't do that. But it's in the oven and it smells amazing and it's very hot to stand here. I'm gonna make a simple onion, mushroom and cream sauce to go with it. So I've got the frying pan out and I'm gonna start frying, which means that the fan will be on. I'm getting tired, people. It's been a long day. The fan will be on, so it'll be noisy. So I probably won't film a lot of that, because what's the point? But at least I can start off. I can talk about what I'm doing for a little bit. I added some cauliflower on top of the potatoes and carrots as well, so that's also in there roasting at the moment, and I'm getting so hungry. And yes, I use a lot of butter when I cook. Both Elin and I, and Alice for that matter, need more calories. And I love cooking mushrooms in butter. It tastes so good. Pardon me. Okay, that was a very satisfying meal for me, so hopefully it will be for Elin as well, but I obviously need to make a blend for her. So this is my Vitamix blender. It's a power blender and one of the best brands you can use if you do a blended diet. You need a power blender like Vitamix or Blendtec ideally. I know of people who've used Ninja. I've never tried it myself. Some people use NutriBullet. Again, I've never tried it myself, but this one, tried and tested for many years, it is absolutely my first choice when it comes to doing blended diet. Both Vitamix and Blendtec offer medical discounts as well to families who are using a blended diet, and you don't actually have to prove anything. You tell them, I'm going to be using this for a blended diet. Is there a medical discount? Yes, there is. They give you the code. Like, they're brilliant in that respect. And when I got this blender, I fundraised for it. So this one was actually paid for by Embrace, the complex needs charity here in Bedford. And oh my god, I've just seen that I have been enjoying my meal with all of me. Wow. I'm going to be glamorous in another life, and now I'm losing my glasses. Wow. I'm going to need to add a lot of water to the blend. This food is already very calorie dense. There's a lot of good calories in here, and I don't know if I'm going to add any more actually, because I think there's probably enough. So I'm going to add meat. I'm going to leave the crusty ends for me, I think. I'm going to add a lot of vegetables. Oh, who am I kidding? And all of the sauce. What I want with this blend is a consistency of custard. And I want it to be completely smooth, so I'm going to be blending this on high power for at least a minute. It's going to be very loud. I had to add another 4 cups of water to it before it was blending at a consistency that was working for me. These leftover pieces of meat, well, they can go in a salad, they can go in a sandwich, they can go in a ramen, they can go in anything really, and it's really tasty, so I love this stuff. Now I need 1 serving to give Elin for dinner tomorrow when she comes here. I need 1 serving for her to have for lunch on Saturday when she's going to Special Needs Play Scheme. Same charity again, Embrace, that do that. And then whatever's left I'm gonna put in the freezer. I might need 3 bags, probably more gonna be 2 bags, so 4 servings in total. Oh wow. Oh, that is good. It looks like I'm gonna need the 3rd bag after all. At the moment I eyeball this. If I was counting calories to be able to prove what her actual intake is, then I would be weighing everything. But I'm not at the moment, so eyeballing works well enough. These are quite big servings in the bags. but better than too small, right? And tomorrow we're coming back to it to see what she thinks of this food. Right, I'm gonna have to check how thick the blend is. Oh, actually, I thought it would have thickened up, but it seems to have stayed fairly liquid. Still smells amazing. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good, I can work with this. Oh, I need to get her feeding tube as well. I'm just trying to get everything organized before I sit down with the girls, because by the time I am properly sitting down, I can promise you I'm not getting up again because I'm tired. Alice, I'm going to take Elin inside and start giving her dinner now and eating myself. Yeah. Are you hungry? There you go, girl. Alice, that is amazing. Well done. Thank you.
I'm going to continue later.
Okay, we'll tidy up for now and bring everything inside for now, just in case. Elin, are you hungry? Do you want nummy nummies? Do you want nummy nummies? I'm just very tired, Mummy. Your sister's a good egg. Yes, she is. You are tired. I can feel it. Hi. Hi. Have you had a long day? Have you finally been back in school?
I'll leave the doors open. I'm going to go and wash my hands.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Strawberry? Sour cherry. Can I have a sour cherry?
Yes, you can. First day back in school after the week that started with hospital. Yeah, and her not feeling all too perky. And today you've managed, but you must be very tired. Elin, are you hungry? Do this. Elin! Hi! Are you hungry? Do you want nummy nummies? Okay, well we're gonna try this lovely blend. You are very welcome to taste it, Alice, if you want.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's been in the fridge. What do you think?
Tastes delicious.
It does, doesn't it? Elin, do you want to try it? Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. We are going to sit down and enjoy our dinner. Alice is a bit miffed that she didn't get to try the full-on cook-up that happened yesterday. But hopefully Elin will enjoy it. Hopefully it will stay down. Down, down, down. Food staying down. And we're going to turn on the TV and
This
just
is delicious. It tastes
go.
like sweets.
Oh. Aren't we? You want some more? Yum, 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 yum.
This tastes like sweets.
It's a really nice drink, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's better than the strawberry and the cream. I don't really like
The cream soda.
Yeah, I don't really like it.
No, but you like the strawberry lemonade?
Yeah. And this.
That was good. How is this? You are definitely, you're definitely feeling it. Does it feel good in your tummy? Good sitting! You sat there by yourself for a bit. Well done. Are you going to manage to sit next to me so I can eat something as well? Pretty please? No. Absolutely not, Mother. You must hold me and cuddle me and love me forever and ever.
Luca won't come in and eat, so I'm just leaving it outside.
No. Leave it inside. She's already had some. There you have it. A very lukewarm reaction from Elin about her food. But of course she wasn't here yesterday smelling it all day long as it was cooking like I was. And I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you want to see more of my blended diet things. I'm perfectly happy to do that. We are going to watch something silly on TV and just chill out and eat. So thank you. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and we will see you again very soon.
Bye.